Exhilaration has gone electric. Meet the 2026 Toyota CHR. This exciting crossover returns as a premium battery electric vehicle. Packing serious energy and unmistakable style. Experience the future of driving in this confident crossover utility vehicle. The 2026 CHR commands power. Feel the responsiveness of 338 total system horsepower, which allows this fun-to-drive ride to go from 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds. Standard all-wheel drive and an automatic limited slip differential are designed to help provide added grip for an even more engaging ride. Built on the ETNGA platform, CHR's coupe-like lines and underbody-mounted battery contribute to its low center of gravity and agility on winding roads. Plus, standard paddle shifters allow drivers to select the intensity of regenerative braking for added control. The 2026 CHR embodies modern design. Its hammerhead-inspired front fascia and lower rear bumper with diffuser project a sporty presence from every angle. Available 20-inch alloy wheels elevate the performance-inspired aesthetic, especially with its available two-tone exterior colors. A standard power liftgate, heated front seats with power adjustability for the driver, and a heated steering wheel complement CHR's style with effortless comfort and convenience for every journey. Seating is sculpted for a comfortable yet sporty feel. There's even an available fixed panoramic glass roof that's designed to bring in natural light. Along with the standard 60/40 split, fold-down rear seats, CHR blends form with function. Charging convenience and flexibility come standard on CHR. DC fast charging from 10 to 80% capacity takes approximately 30 minutes under ideal conditions, while the battery preconditioning function helps maximize DC fast charging performance in cold weather. Public charging is streamlined thanks to the North American Charging System, or NACS charging port, granting access to thousands of DC fast charging stations across North America, meaning more choices, more convenience, and more confidence on every drive. CHR also includes plug-and-charge technology designed for a seamless public charging experience with select providers. Once the payment method is set up within the Toyota app, drivers can simply plug in and charge with compatible chargers without needing apps or additional payment steps. For added convenience, NACS-supported charging locations and real-time charging status can be accessed through the Toyota app, allowing owners to easily monitor key charging stats such as current charge level, charging rates, and estimated completion time all in one place. The standard 11 kilowatt onboard charger allows owners to maximize faster level 2 charging when available. Finally, every Toyota battery EV, including CHR, also comes equipped with an NACS-enabled portable dual-voltage charging cable for level 1 and level 2 charging, giving owners an advantage when it comes to home charging. Intuitive technology, effortless connectivity. CHR's standard Toyota audio multimedia platform has an expansive 14-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility, which connects drivers to apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. Wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Immerse yourself in pristine audio with the available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system, including subwoofer and amplifier. A standard 3-month Sirius XM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the Sirius XM app. Make it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Standard dual-Qi compatible wireless charging pads are designed to help power your devices without skipping a beat. CHR further integrates a comprehensive suite of safety and convenience technologies. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard and includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. The standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and front and rear parking assist with automatic braking brings added confidence, while the available panoramic view monitor is designed to help the driver maneuver in tight spaces. The 2026 Toyota CHR, exhilaration, electrified. Turn every drive into a source of joy. Discover the 2026 CHR at Toyota.com.